What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to recap my short on BBIG and GENE, and I'm going to start with BBIG, and profits and entries and exits will be posted in the recap chat as always for verification, but wanted to get this video out while I'm waiting for this to fade into the low fives is where I project it'll fade by the end of the day. So just going over this chart now, the thing you have to understand about this ticker is that this was a sympathy play to OBLN, right? OBLN had a massive run yesterday. Went on a massive parabolic from 3 to 10 plus, and there was merger news. So when you look at BBIG, usually what happens is when you have a huge runner, you get a sympathy play the next day with similar news. So if you look at the news on BBIG, you'll see that this ticker ran because of a merger. So similar news. However, sympathy plays almost always fail. So they tend to rip in the morning as people are chasing due to FOMO that they missed OBLN, and then the stock usually dumps. So I actually was focused on GENE this morning, which I'll cover in a minute, and I didn't start shorting this until 10 a.m. knowing that usually these things squeeze huge. So I waited for that to happen. I started shorting here a little bit, very small starter size. And, this involved me getting in and out a couple times with tiny size. And then once this death candle came in, I added full size. Unfortunately, this candle happened very quickly, so I did not get a great fill. This is basically a market maker dumping his shares. And, I got an average around 7.7. And my goal is to cover this in the low fives. It's perking up a little bit now, but I have confidence that it won't be able to reclaim this level. In any case, I will break even if it happens to respike. So let me go over. So this should be a nice trade. GENE, this was a classic, and let me get rid of all these lines. A classic short into resistance. If you look at the daily chart, you'll see there was massive amounts of resistance on July 15th, of almost 400 million, virtually impossible to break that type of resistance. So, I wanted this to push a little bit closer to the pre-market high, closer to that resistance, so I can get a nice risk to reward. But when that didn't happen, when this flushed at the open, I shorted into a bounce at 7.5, and I covered this one a little bit too soon. I covered this one at about 6.3, 6.4. Just noticing that some of the shorts into resistance haven't been offering that much risk to reward. However, in this case, as you can see, I missed out on tons of profit. So this is something that I'll track and be cognizant of going into the next short into resistance. But not ideal execution here. But like I said, the plan was for this to push to 9 and then dump, and it didn't give me that. So I took the plan B, which was not as lucrative as the first one. Anyhow, if you guys have any questions about any of these trades, leave a comment down below. If you're interested in joining my free chat room where we, discuss our trades, just help each other out, post some useful information. The link is in the description. It's free. Just send me an email. Please like the video if you subscribe. It helps the channel grow. Helps kind of give me a little bit of reward for bringing out these videos for free. And subscribe for more content. Thank you guys for watching.